Hey guys, so today I'm going to be restarting my YouTube channel. I made one when I was in 7th grade and it was kind of like a vlog with my friends, and we just kind of I just kind of stopped it. No real reason, just didn't really have time. Today I was with my friend and we were getting breakfast and she's like, oh, I gotta vlog this, and I was like, oh, okay, cool, I'll do it, like, sounds fun. And she's like, oh, check out my YouTube channel, and I was like, you have YouTube? Like, I did YouTube and we got in a whole conversation about it. And she was like, you should start one, like, you love makeup and stuff like that. And I was like, all right. So I did, and here's a look I created for you. We're going to use, get ready for it, making a mess of all my shit. As you can tell, I already did my foundation. I used the All Hours foundation. And then I used the NYX Photo Loving Primer. Yes, we used the Photo Loving Primer. And we are going to start by priming our eyes. We are going, holding it backwards. We are going to use the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finisher, Primer Finisher. All right. Put a little bit on my finger and just rub this all in. Okay. Now, in the palette, we are going to take this first shade. I'll put the names of them all right here or somewhere, I don't know, because they're all in the back and I don't really remember. And I'm going to take just this flat head brush from Sephora, dab, 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 and put this on my eyelid to use as a base. It's just like a fluffy top brush, kind of stubbly. And we are going to take this third shade right here and put that in the crease. Next, I'm going to take this little blending brush and take this purple brown shade and tap that in. And these colors are really blendable, so I know that this looks really, really dark compared to this side, but it's very blendable. Just gonna blend that in and then go back. Just keep blending that in, keep blending, making sure it matches, and then go back into the second brush I was using, that little stubbly fluffy, and use the crease shade. Just kind of blend that in with the outer V shade. And then I'm going to take this pink sparkly shade and just use my finger so we get it super pigmented, and just put that all over my lid. And then when I was doing the other side, I thought it just looked too white and too not what I was going for. So then I took the third pink sparkly shade that's right here and put that over top. And it just kind of created a better color that I was going for. And then to kind of blend this in a little bit, I am going to take this fourth shade and put that into my crease now, just to darken it up just a little bit more. And then go just kind of whatever's left on this blending brush in the outer V, just kind of mix that together with the shade. Mascara, which I use the L'Oreal Paris voluminous lash. To finish up this eye look, I'm going to take the Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop and just put this on my pinky and put this in my like corners of my eyes.